I'm gonna cut my hair today. You're gonna come with me. Let's hope it works. If it doesn't, you'll be the first to know.
Hello, lovies. As you can see, I am going to cut my hair today. I have been a kitchen beautician from the time that I can remember. My mom used to do my perms. She used to give me streaks. I mean, you name it, we did it in the kitchen. So I just continue the tradition. The way I cut my hair is a Brad Mondo butterfly cut in the front and a Clara cut in the back. I start by parting my hair from the crown of my head to just behind my ear. I do that on both sides. Once I get my part where I want, I'm going to brush all of the hair forward and pull it into a really tight ponytail on the lower part of my forehead. I make myself look like a beautiful unicorn. I continue to brush it and I make sure that all of my hair is pulled as tight as it can and I secure it with a rubber band. And make sure that there are no tangles or knots in it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you guys are just as crazy as I am, and is there any one of you guys that cut your hair at home too? I would love to know. Ooh, moment of truth. I took about 3 inches off and I make sure that my fingers are pinched really, really tight so that my cut stays pretty straight. Guys, I don't know what it is, but I just love to do everything myself at home. I do my nails at home. I cut my hair at home. I DIY everything. Are you guys like that too, or is it just me? I just brush through and make sure that the cut is nice and straight and I didn't miss anything. If I need to, I go back and trim it up just a little bit. I do the back of my hair similar to the front. I pull all of my hair to the base of my neck and I put it in a ponytail just like I do the front. Again, I make sure that I brush all of my hair through so there's no tangles, and I make sure it's really tight, and I put it in a ponytail right at the base of my neck. Now I pull it straight up and I see just how much I want to take off. I make sure I pinch my fingers really tight together so that there's no movement in the hair and I get a nice straight cut. Friends, I am in no way a professional stylist. This is just the way that I cut my hair. I know that it is not professional, it is not correct. I have just become very comfortable cutting my own hair, and this is just how I do it. And I thought I'd show you guys. This is not a how-to video, and I am not recommending that you cut your hair this way. I just thought that I would show you what I do. And thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate you hanging out with me all the time. And once I'm all done, I just take my round brush with my blow dryer and I blow it out. Guys, you know the drill. If you would, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so YouTube knows that I exist. That would be amazing. And we'll be able to hang out and talk about hair and makeup all the time.
Needed a haircut, so I did it myself. Thanks, Brad Mondo.